Listen, I know what you're thinking right now. Another 20-something-year-old claiming they make a ton of money online. But here's the difference between me and every other person making these kinds of videos. I'm actually gonna show you exactly what I've done. I'm not going to tell you to jump into some base business model that's oversaturated. I make $1,200 a day, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and how you can literally copy my entire system. So if you're serious about changing your life, keep watching because I'm about to break down everything. Let me take you back to 3 years ago. I was broke, desperate, and trying every single business model the internet told me would actually make me rich. One thing I started with was affiliate marketing because everyone said it was easy money. Well, guess what? It's complete garbage if you're using paid ads because you're already working with very small profits. They basically don't even exist. You might make 2% if you're lucky, genuinely. So you need to spend thousands of dollars on ads just to make $50 profit. It's a joke. And if you don't have paid ads, you need to already have a massive audience, which I didn't have when I got started, so that didn't work. Then I tried selling ebooks on Instagram. I made these cute little ebooks about random topics, I posted them everywhere, and I tried to get people to buy them for like 10 or 20 bucks. Nobody cared. Absolutely nobody. I tried dropshipping, print on demand, Amazon FBA, all the stuff you see every guru talking about. None of it worked. And you know why? Because all those business models have the same fatal flaw. The profit margins are absolute trash. With physical products, you're making 5 to 20% profit if you're lucky. That means to make $10,000 a month, you need to sell $50,000 to $200,000 worth of products. That's insane. You need hundreds and hundreds of customers. You need to deal with shipping, suppliers, customer service for people complaining about their orders. It's a fucking nightmare. But then I discovered a different business model that changed my entire life. High-ticket program and services. When you sell high-ticket programs or services, your profit margins are 90 to 98%. Just think about that for a second. 90 to 98%. You create something once and you can sell it infinite times with basically zero extra cost. No inventory, no shipping, no suppliers. Just pure profit going straight into your bank account. This is when everything clicked for me. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. But here's where I made it even better. Instead of selling low-ticket products like $20 ebook or $99 courses where I'd need hundreds of customers to make good money, I decided to go high ticket. I'm talking at least $1,000 to $10,000 plus per client. Now, instead of needing 100 clients to make $10,000 a month, I only need 1 to 10 clients. Let that sink in. 1 to 10 clients per month to completely change your life. That's when I went from making nothing to making $1,200 a day. And the best part? Once you have the system down, it's repeatable every single month. So let me tell you exactly what I would do if I had to start from complete scratch today. Like with $0, 0 followers, no team, nothing. Here's the exact blueprint. First, I'd pick a niche I actually want to create a product around. Let's say fitness because there's a huge market for it and it's also a passion of mine. Now, within fitness, I'd get even more specific. I'd choose to help people with weight loss because that's a massive problem people will pay to solve. The key here is picking a problem that people are actively struggling with and willing to invest money to fix. It could be weight loss, making more money, relationships, regaining confidence, quitting an addiction, etc. These are things people will pay for. Next, I'd create content around that topic on YouTube or Instagram. And before you say you don't know how to make content, shut up and listen. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a professional camera. I didn't have any of this when I started. Just look at my first videos on YouTube. Your phone is enough. I tell all my clients to start with their phones and it's more than enough. So if I were in the fitness niche and I wanted to help people lose weight, I'd make videos about weight loss tips, workout routines, nutrition advice, recipes, transformation stories, whatever provides value to people trying to lose weight. The goal isn't to go viral necessarily. The goal is to attract the right people who have the problem you can solve. Even if you only get 100 to 300 views per video, if a few of those are serious about losing weight, they want to get help, and they have the money to invest, that's all you need. While I'm making content, I'd create my high-ticket offer. This could be a coaching program, a course with personal support, but it needs to be premium and it needs to deliver actual results. I'd price it between $1,000 and $5,000. And here's the key. I'd make sure it actually solves their problem. This is about delivering massive value and charging what that problem is worth fixing for them. Then, when people start reaching out from my content, asking questions or showing interest, I'd offer them a free call to see if my program is right for them. On that call, I'd understand their situation, show them how my program can help them and close the sale. Boom! $1,000 to $5,000 in your bank account. Do that 2 to 3 times a month and you're already at $6,000 to $15,000 per month. Do it more and you're making way more. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not an expert. I don't know enough to charge people thousands of dollars. Let me destroy this myth right now, because it's the biggest thing holding most people back. You do not need to be the world's leading expert. You don't need 10 years of experience. You don't need a bunch of certifications or degrees. I have no degrees. Yet I make more money than people with PhDs. You just need to know a bit more than the person you're trying to help. That's it. If someone is 50 pounds overweight and has no idea how to lose weight, and you've lost 20 pounds and you understand basic nutrition and training, you know more than them, you can help them, and some people will pay you for that help. Think about it like this. You don't go to a doctor who's been practicing for 40 years for every little problem. Sometimes you go to a younger doctor who just finished their training and they help you just fine. The same applies here. You're selling a high-ticket program or service in an industry that's literally exploding right now. The online education market is worth hundreds of billions of dollars and growing exponentially every single year. You can either take advantage of this opportunity right now, or you can be like all those idiots who keep trying dropshipping for the 5th time, wondering why they're still broke. Like, come on, the opportunity is here, the market is here, the demand is here. You just need to take consistent action on it. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's the thing that nobody wants to hear. Everybody wants to have success, but to get there, you need to be willing to go the extra mile. You don't get rich or you don't build $1,000 a day business in profit by doing what everyone else is doing. You don't get there by working 4 hours a week and then watching Netflix. You don't get there by taking shortcuts. You have no idea how much I sacrificed to get here. How many times I got rejected on sales calls and felt like complete garbage. How many times I woke up at 5 in the morning when all I wanted to do was sleep in because I knew I had to work on my business. You have no idea how many friends I stopped hanging out with because they were distractions. How many parties I skipped. How many times people called me crazy or obsessed or made fun of me. Success isn't for everyone because most people aren't willing to do what it takes to get it. Everybody wants the results without the work. And it's normal, we're human. People want the money without the rejection. They want the freedom without the sacrifice. Well, I'm sorry to break it to you, but that's not how things work. If you want to get to the point where you can make $10,000 a month or $1,000 a day like me, you need to be willing to outwork everyone around you. You need to be willing to fail 50 times before you succeed. You need to be willing to look stupid, to be uncomfortable, to push through when every part of you wants to quit. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is going to be easy. It's not, but it is simple. To start a business with $0 in 2025 and 2026, all you have to do is pick a niche, create content, make a high-ticket offer, take sales calls, deliver results, and get paid. That's the process step by step. The hard part is actually doing it consistently when you don't see immediate results. The hard part is pushing through month 1, month 2, month 3 when you're not making money yet. But if you stick with it, if you actually commit and go all in, this works. I've seen it work for me. I've seen it work for countless other people, and it can work for you too. So here's what I want you to do right now. Stop watching random videos about dropshipping or crypto or whatever new shiny object is trending. Pick your niche today. Start creating content tomorrow. Build your offer this week and start reaching out to potential clients. The opportunity is literally right in front of you. The only question is whether you're actually going to take it or keep making excuses and stay exactly where you are. Because I promise you, a year from now, you're gonna wish you started today. I wasted 7 months not starting my service-based business back in 2022. Don't make the same mistake. That's the thing I regret the most. So stop wasting time and go build a real business that will print you $10,000 a month. I'll see you at the top. If you want me to personally help you to build a profitable online business, check out the free training I made for you in the description below, and you can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you implement everything step by step. Be quick because spots fill up fast. With that said, I'll see you on the other side.